Hey there, adventure seekers and luxury lovers. Today we're diving into the crystal clear waters of Cozumel, Mexico, to explore a hidden gem that's making waves in the all-inclusive resort scene. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey through the Explorean Cozumel, a resort that's redefining what it means to have an all-inclusive experience. Nestled along the picturesque coastline of Cozumel, the Explorean is not your average beach resort. This four-star property, part of the renowned Fiesta Americana brand, has found the perfect balance between heart-pumping adventures and laid-back luxury. Located just a stone's throw away from the vibrant Chankanaab Park, this resort is perfectly positioned for those who want to immerse themselves in the natural beauty and rich culture of the Mexican Caribbean. Now, let's talk about the rooms, shall we? The Explorean Cozumel offers spacious accommodations that blend contemporary design with traditional Mexican flair. Picture yourself waking up in a room that feels like a cozy retreat, with air conditioning to keep you cool after a day of sun-soaked adventures. While the hotel keeps the exact details of their room types close to the chest, guests rave about the comfort and cleanliness. Each room comes equipped with premium toiletries so you can pamper yourself after a day of exploration. And for all you coffee addicts out there, fear not. In-room coffee makers are ready to serve up your morning brew. One of the coolest perks, guests at the Explorean have full access to the facilities at the adjacent Fiesta Americana Cozumel. It's like getting two resorts for the price of one. And let's not forget about the views. While we can't promise ocean vistas from every room, the lush garden and pool views are nothing to scoff at. It's like having your own little slice of tropical paradise right outside your window. But let's be real, you're not here to spend all day in your room, are you? The Explorean Cozumel is all about getting out and experiencing the beauty of the island. And boy, do they deliver on that front. The resort offers daily guided expeditions that are included in your stay. Yeah, you heard that right. Included. We're talking snorkeling at the stunning Columbia Reef, zipping around the island in dune buggies, and even sunset kayaking. It's like having your own personal adventure guide on speed dial. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about the food? Well, foodie friends, the Explorean has got you covered there too. While they keep it intimate with just one on-site restaurant, don't let that fool you. This place is all about quality over quantity. The restaurant prides itself on using local ingredients to create dishes that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. And if you're in the mood for variety, remember that access to the Fiesta Americana next door? That means a whole world of additional dining options is just a short walk away. From casual beachside bites to elegant evening meals, you'll never go hungry here. Let's splash into the pool and beach situation, shall we? The Explorean boasts an outdoor pool that's perfect for those days when you want to take it easy. While it might not be Olympic-sized, it's the ideal spot to cool off after a morning of adventures. And the best part? It's got a prime view of the Caribbean Sea. Talk about a picture-perfect setting for your Instagram stories. Now, while the Explorean isn't directly on the beach, don't let that deter you. The resort more than makes up for it with easy access to some of the most beautiful beaches in Cozumel. Plus, they provide complimentary snorkeling gear, kayaks, paddleboards, and bicycles. So whether you want to explore the underwater world, paddle along the coastline, or cycle through the island's lush interior, you've got all the tools at your fingertips. But wait, there's more. The Explorean Cozumel isn't just about daytime adventures. As the sun sets, the resort transforms into a hub of relaxation and entertainment. While specific details on spa facilities are a bit hush-hush, guests are directed to the adjacent Fiesta Americana for a full range of pampering options. Imagine unwinding with a massage after a day of snorkeling or treating yourself to a facial before a night out. It's the perfect way to recharge your batteries for another day of exploration. For those looking to keep up their fitness routine or work off some of those delicious meals, the resort offers access to top-notch fitness facilities. Again, while the exact details are kept under wraps, you can bet that you'll have everything you need to stay in shape during your vacation. Who knows, maybe you'll even discover a new favorite workout with a view of the Caribbean. Now, let's talk about what really sets the Explorean apart. Their commitment to helping guests truly experience Cozumel. The resort offers a range of cultural and educational activities that go beyond your typical resort offerings. Want to learn about Mayan history? They've got you covered. Interested in local cuisine? Sign up for a cooking class. The Exploran is all about immersing yourself in the local culture, not just observing it from afar. And for all you night owls out there, the adventure doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The Exploran offers unique nighttime experiences, like stargazing kayak trips. Imagine gliding across calm waters under a blanket of stars. It's the kind of experience that stays with you long after your tan has faded. Now I know what some of you might be thinking, but what about the kids? Well, while the Exploran doesn't specifically advertise itself as a family resort, it's not exclusively adults only either. The focus here is more on active couples and small groups looking for adventure. That said, the variety of activities on offer could certainly keep older kids and teens entertained. Just keep in mind that this isn't your typical resort with dedicated kids clubs and child-minding services. It's more about shared family adventures and creating memories together. Let's take a moment to explore beyond the resort, shall we? The Explorean Cozumel is perfectly positioned to take advantage of all the island has to offer. Just a short drive away is the famous Chancanab Park, a natural wonderland where you can swim with dolphins, explore botanical gardens, and even see a replica Mayan village. History buffs will love the Museo de la Isla de Cozumel, where you can dive into the island's rich past. And let's not forget about the world-renowned coral reefs just offshore. Columbia Reef and Palancar Reef are easily accessible through the hotel's excursions, offering some of the best snorkeling and diving in the Caribbean. So, what's the verdict on the Explorean Cozumel? Well, if you're the type of traveler who gets antsy sitting by the pool all day, this place is your dream come true. The included daily adventures set it apart from your run-of-the-mill all-inclusives, offering a perfect blend of activity and relaxation. The staff here consistently receives rave reviews for their exceptional service, going above and beyond to ensure every guest has a memorable stay. That said, it's worth noting that if you're looking for a massive resort with multiple restaurants and extensive on-site facilities, the Exploran might not be your cup of tequila. This is a more intimate experience, focused on getting you out and about to really experience Cozumel. But with access to the adjacent Fiesta Americana, you're not missing out on any amenities. You're just getting a more personalized, adventure-focused home base. One of the unique selling points of the Explorean is undoubtedly its approach to all-inclusive. Rather than trying to keep you on the property 24/7, they encourage exploration and adventure. It's like having a luxury base camp from which to discover all that Cozumel has to offer. The included excursions are not your typical touristy affairs, but well-thought-out experiences led by knowledgeable guides who are passionate about sharing their island with you. While the Explorean doesn't heavily advertise conference or event facilities, it's worth noting that the adjacent Fiesta Americana does offer options for those looking to mix business with pleasure. So if you're thinking of a corporate retreat with a side of adventure, this could be an interesting option to explore. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.